and today I'm gonna make my first video of my house. This is actually my favorite thing to do. This one, I would put a link where you can get it. Since I'm only 8, I didn't want to buy something that's crazy expensive. I got this one for my birthday. It was like, I think it was and yeah, it's pretty good price. Definitely worth it. Good first ever good RC car. So I'm gonna go take it out and show you guys how it works. Show you guys how to put the battery. You just take out, I'm not sure if I'm getting it right now. No, guys. I'm gonna get in the car. I don't have any cameramen, so. Yeah. There we go. I take this off. See, mine had a thing right here. Right there. It's really hard. My dad was helping me to help get this thing off. That thing right there. That thing to put in the battery. Then we decided to replace it. Done now. Let's see. It's a lot easier than the other. That's so now I can get this thing off easy. I'm gonna go get the other battery. Got it. Take that. Hey guys, I'm back and I got the other battery.